Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. We have a bit of an update here. So the Altima here decided to go out on us. I got a flat tire the other day. So what I came to realize, I'll come around here and show you guys. The seams there are coming out, and you look at the body lines. This car, when it was sold to me by the dealer, it was in an accident. So now, since it's a unibody car, what's happened is the alignment's completely out. I've gone through 4 sets of tires in 2 years. That's how bad it is, because it just completely runs out the tires. So what has happened is it's just destroying tires. So the Altima is no good. Now the Kia, what happened is I was driving it, and that belt squeal that I was talking to you guys about, the car lost all power steering, all the lights on the inside died. I'm assuming the belt tensioner pulley, it locked up. And this happened all in one day. So I was wondering, okay, I need a vehicle. I don't know what's going on. Crazy thing is, here's the thing. I found a great deal, and I'm about to reveal it to you guys. It was the best deal. I had to pick it up. We have a 2013 Ford F-150. It's the 3.5 liter EcoBoost. I got it for $3,000. That is insane. It has 280,000 kilometers, and it is in great shape. This is the truck. So this is what I picked up for $3,000. Now there's a whole story behind how all that happened as well. So what happened was I looked over the vehicle, everything looked good. We took it out for a drive. And what happened is I was using the 4-wheel drive, testing it out, making sure that the 4-wheel drive's working good and everything's like flawless. Putting it into 4-wheel drive high worked great. 4 low, it didn't like it. We're like, all right, I'll put it back into 4 high. The transmission didn't let itself go into gear, and now we're stuck in between 4 low and 4 high. So on the side of the road, test driving the vehicle, this is what happened. And I go and negotiate with the guy. I'm like, hey, this has turned into a big headache for the both of us. He's busy. He doesn't really care. He just kind of wants the truck gone. I offer him $3,000 because he was asking $4,100, and he accepts it. So we now have a 2013 Ford F-150 for $3,000. So what does this mean for the channel? What we're going to be doing is we're going to be doing trailer flips, seeing if we can make profit with this truck, getting trailers, flipping equipment, doing all that kind of stuff. We're gonna see if we can get ourselves a really good deal and get a trailer, fix it, weld it, do whatever we need to do and flip it for cash. We're gonna see if we can get lawnmowers and stuff, flip them for cash, and let's see if we can make a side hustle out of it. So I'm gonna bring you guys along. We got a truck. If you guys want, I can show you the inside. I just got done working on it yesterday for getting it safetied. It's really nice. It's not the thing. It's got the cloth interior, but to be honest, it's in good condition. Look at that. We have the nice gauges. Don't worry, the frame rate of the camera is just making the lights blink. But it's a really nice truck. Not a whole lot of rust. I got my tools in the back. I was working on it. We got a free tonneau cover. Brand new tires on it. Great deal. Great deal. This is what we're going to be doing, guys. We're going to be seeing if we can get ourselves a trailer. I messaged some people on Facebook Marketplace today. We'll see if we can get something going. All right, without further ado, everyone, that's all I wanted to share with you guys. Thank you for subscribing. Let's get this channel underway. Let's go. Appreciate you guys.